I'm Seth Shadwick. I ride for Fugitive BMX, and this is my bike. No! We're not done. It's a 2012 Verde radio. Got it for about 600. I wouldn't recommend this bike. I've had it for a year, and all the parts are just messing up at once, so it's not very good for me. These are the United Beacon bars. Cracked my stock bars on the weld right here. Replace those out. These are pretty good bars. Green ODI long neck grips. They are starting to peel there. Kind of bothers me. Kink Litus bar ends. Stock stem. It slips. Again, it's a year old, but still, it's slipping more than usual. Probably gonna get a new one soon. Stock headset, pretty smooth. Stock forks, they're bending on me. My wheel set is stock. It's the Cinema tungsten wheel set, double wall rims, female hub, and on the hub I have a G-Sport hub guard. Eastern pegs. On the rim I have Odyssey Aitken 2.25 tires, front and back. I have them running about 85. That's a little low. Stock frame. I'm getting like cracks right here by the rear triangle. Just like stress marks. There's one over here is bigger. Get out the light. I don't have a seat post because it's integrated on my frame, which eliminates the seat post weight. The United fat seat, pivotal, very squishy. I have a stock bottom bracket with profile cranks, really good cranks. Love the cranks. I have Connie Fantastic pedals. I have a Primo chain guard because I have right hand drive and right side pegs, so I just have that. Same wheel set in the back. Hub sound. Is that it? Now that's my bike. Get out of here!
What?